Okay, here we are. It's Eliza attempting to roll over. Next attempt. Let's see if she can do it. Maggie! Maggie. Of course, Maggie's got to get in there and give her kisses. Maggie! Come on, Eliza, you can do it. You can do it. She's kicking her legs up. She wants to crawl. Come on, sweetheart. Oh, maybe she's too tired now. She's done it a few times today. Come on, you can do it! You can do it! You can do it, Eliza! Oh, you're almost there. Almost there. The other one came so easy for her. And this one she's really struggling with. Oh, sweetheart. Oh. Okay, come on, you can do it. You're almost there. You're almost there, sweetie. Oh. She's so frustrated right now.